Lorex continues to create very high-quality PTZ cameras in its MPX lineup. MPX stands for megapixels over coax. PTZ stands for pan, tilt, and zoom. The LZV2622 is a dome-style PTZ camera, and like many Lorex cameras, is made of aero-space-grade aluminum. The camera can be installed indoors or outdoors and is designed to be horizontally mounted on a ceiling or with the included mount S1WA1G. Let's see how to install the camera on an exterior brick wall using the unique mounting hardware. The first step is to remove the outer dome cover in order to access the mounting holes inside. Using the supplied Torx wrench, loosen the 3 bolts securing the camera dome to the base. Remove the dome cover and carefully set aside. The interior of the camera housing may have a small desiccant anti-moisture package gently glued in place. Please remove and discard safely. Insert the small white silicone plug into the cable port, which is only used for surface mounting the cabling. Remove the quick install wall plate on the hood mount by loosening the hex set screw on top. Gently insert the camera cabling into the access recess on the mount. Make sure to insert the camera cable into the cable notch on the S1WA1G mount. Now line up the 3 mounting holes of the camera chassis with the wall mount holes. Now insert the provided Allen bolts into each chassis hole and thread the hex bolt into the pre-drilled holes in the wall mount. Use the provided Allen key. It is usually best to not fully tighten each bolt until all 3 hex bolts have been screwed into place. Once all 3 hex bolts have been tightened, you can now replace the dome cover. Gently place the cover over the camera chassis. Align the dome cover bolts with the pre-drilled threaded holes in the mount. Now thread and tighten all 3 Torx bolts in order to secure the dome cover to the wall mount. Thread and tighten all 3 Torx bolts in order to secure the dome cover to the wall mount. We're now ready to install this plate onto the exterior wall. A hole has been drilled in the exterior wall and the coax Siamese cable has been threaded through this hole in the brick. Insert 2 or more supplied anchors into the wall and secure the quick install plate to the brick wall, making sure to thread the cable through the large hole in the plate. Once the coax and power connection is made, gently push the bundle of cables into the mounting hood cavity and hook the camera mount onto the wall plate. Now retighten the set screw using the Allen key in order to make sure the camera is firmly attached to the mounting bracket. Plug the supplied power adapter into a wall socket and connect the plug to the power socket on the Siamese cable. Now connect the coax cable to the DVR. You can now adjust the position of the camera using the DVR software. Navigate to the PTZ function on the menu and adjust framing using the left, right, and up and down arrows. This camera can also be programmed to have preset locations, and these presets can be used to create a tour. The LZV2622 4-megapixel sensor delivers remarkably crisp, clean images. The zoom function allows you to enlarge an image and reframe to suit specific needs. The camera can pan 355 degrees. At night, the LZV2622 operates in color night vision when additional lighting is supplied. The LZV2622 from Lorex provides great images with a build quality that will deliver reliable surveillance for many years.